Little trick with math going on here. We're going to show you real quick tonight just simple math. So I'm going to show you minimum, maximum, and absolute value. So I'm going to just create two integers. I'm going to create x equals 15, and we'll make y equal 19. So we'll just do this real quickly. We'll do system.out.println. These are all math functions. We'll go math dot. We'll do max first, and it's going to just compare the two variables to each other, x and y. Then the next one, let's go in here and we'll make the print line more accurate. We'll say the bigger number is plus, and then the plus should go over here. So get rid of the plus there. There we go. Then we'll do the smaller number is plus math dot, instead of max, it's going to be minimum, min, keep x and y together, and then system.out.println, the absolute value of x is, and then plus math dot, this one's ABS, absolute value. And we have to do it to one variable at a time for here. So we'll just do this. And there you have it. 19 is the bigger of the two, which is true. 15 is the smaller, and the absolute value of x is 15. Just want to look at what happens if we do doubles. So I'm going to say double x equals 15.4, y is equal to 15.1. Let's take a look at what happens then. Same thing, does the same comparison, keeps the decimal for the absolute value. Simple enough. If we put a negative in front of the x, you see the absolute value now drops off the negative on the 15.4. Just like it would in your math class. So instead of coming up with complex formulas, we're going to start learning about these pre-programmed methods and classes, such as the math class that calls upon its different methods, max, min, and absolute, to solve for the answers. Now, think about it real briefly. This is the same procedure as if we were to have a method down here called max, where it passes down two values and figures out which one's the bigger one. Same principle, however, it's in a predefined class that Java made called the math class. Just like these objects, these imports, are predefined classes as well that perform a various function that then we can call upon. So that's something else to keep in mind, that you've already been working a little bit with calling on different classes and methods. We just haven't done it yet. What's one other thing you notice between the different class and the different method? The classes have a capital letter. So your method should never be named with a capital letter. They should follow camel case methodology. Lowercase first letter. Every other word that's in there should be capitalized for the first letter. Classes, on the other hand, do get capitalized with the first letter, Pascal casing. So you do want to keep that in mind.